Hi guys, today is 1st of October 2020. As you can see, the TOUCHSCALPER boat version 4.1 is running right now, and we're going to release this version today. You can see, let's just wait for it to pick a trade. You can see this is time right now. Let's wait for it to pick one trade. It has picked 1 2 3 4 5 6 right now. This version is based on the rise and fall strategy, so you get more earnings. As you can see, the buy price there, and it's also scalping as well. Once it hits certain profit, it's going to close the trade. So briefly, for those who don't know what this boat does, this is the automated binary options boat for Deriv and binary.com, and this is a link to purchase the boats: www.touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng. It has picked one trade. Let's wait for it to close the trade right now. So this is a link to purchase the boat again: www.touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng. The version 4.1 will be released today, and we're going to update all those who have previously purchased the boat. So as you can see, even if we lose this trade, we are still in profit. We've made $9.37 right here. You can see if you add this up. So even if you lose this one, you can see we already won this one again. You can see the profit right here is settled. So don't forget to visit the link. We will release this version today. Don't forget to visit the link: www.touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng to purchase this boat. And for those who have already purchased it, just expect this update today. We are going to send it to your email. Just check your email. We're going to send it to your email. So, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more strategies. We are going to drop some strategies today as well. Just subscribe to this channel for more strategies. Thanks. Bye.